Now it's time to get into this curry cauliflower soup for baby girl. So come on, let's make some baby food. Are ready to go with our curry cauliflower soup. So for the ingredients, I have, of course, cauliflower, fresh cauliflower, coconut milk, and for my seasonings, I have turmeric, cumin, and a little bit of cinnamon. So got that. I am going to use my baby food maker today to make this. So we'll go ahead and get started. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to steam my cauliflower. Back, and we've got our cauliflower steamed. And steamed. I'm going to check and make sure that it's the consistency that I want. Yep, it is. Alright, so that's good. I'll go ahead and drain out my extra liquid. And I'm going to go ahead and pour it in here. I'm going to go ahead and blend this. I'm going to add just a little bit of baby water in here. Just very little. When I get ready to serve her portion, I won't need to put any formula in here because I'm using coconut milk. So I'm going to go ahead and blend it. Break it down. So I've got that done. Now I'm going to transfer it to a pot and go ahead and just heat it up a little bit. I'm only going to cook it for about 5 minutes. Okay? Milk in, and then I'm going to cook that. I'm going to go ahead and add my seasonings in here. And again, my seasonings are cinnamon, turmeric, and cumin. I'm going to put some coconut milk in there. Alright, so I've got my mixture. We're going to go ahead and put it on the stove. Okay, so we are done with our curry cauliflower soup, and this is what we have. Now, I did add just a little bit of butter off camera, and this is what we have. All right, so let's see what baby girl thinks. You ready? And of course, I'm always gonna taste it before I give it to her. Yeah, that's good too. That's very good. Make sure it's not too hot. All right, you want some? Yeah, you do? You wanna try it? What you think? Mommy did good? Is it good? Mommy did good? Mommy did good? What you looking at? You looking at Alexa? You hear Alexa talking? Is it good? Is it good? Is it good? Yeah, it's good. You want some more? Yeah. There we go. There we go. Put some more on there for you. You can hold it so when you're ready. There you go. Yeah. So I guess that's it's good. So we'll see you later. Bye.